So hello guys, in this video I will show you how much does Wix cost to you. So first of all, you will need to open your dashboard on your Wix website, and after that you guys can see this upgrade option which is on the top middle section. Now you just need to select this button right here. So now guys, as you can see, there are multiple subscription options that you can choose and acquire by purchasing this subscription model. So there is VIP, unlimited, combo and connect domain. So the VIP costs you 325 rupees per month, the unlimited costs you 185 rupees per month, the combo costs you 125 rupees per month, and the connect domain costs you 80 rupees per month. So you can choose whichever upgraded model you want to like, and that's how you guys can upgrade your Wix account. So that's how you guys can upgrade your Wix account, and that's it for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends and family, and thanks for watching.